Good afternoon. I'm Colonel Vivek Bhatt. I stay in Nainital. In the month of January, my family, including me, unfortunately, we contracted corona. Friend recommended me to use this medicine called Vika, and I used it, and in around 5 days, my fever and cough reduced substantially. For me, it was almost a miracle drug, and in a week's time, I was fully up and about. I recommend anybody who not only contracts corona but also for immunity boosting, one must use Vika.